Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a Notion database to Notion Calendar. First thing I want you to do is connect your workspace in Notion Calendar settings. So here you scroll all the way down until you see Notion apps, you'll see Notion Calendar. Click on that and then I want you to first get Notion Calendar. So we have this opening up as you can see in a new tab, and then once we have this right here, what I'll need you to do is go ahead and continue with your Google account that you had used for Notion. Go ahead and give it the necessary permissions. There you go. Click on your account, and then we're just allowing the settings. So there you go. Click on continue. We have authorized Notion Calendar just by selecting all of this, clicking here on continue, and now the calendar account is being added. And now, as you can see, we're able to add our databases to our calendar. So I'll come here, click on connect those databases, and now they're being added, as you can see right here. Now they are here on the left hand panel. And if you want to add another one, just click on add Notion database. Then you'll see all your databases right here. You can just click on them to add it. Really that easy. Found this helpful? Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.